Here's a pair of the Sony headphones. This is the M6 model. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these headphones into pairing mode. Now you'll notice in pairing mode, if this light next to the power button is blinking blue, 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 okay? So my headphones are off. Let me turn these on first. Let me press and hold. Okay, and let me see if I get a blue, blue here. No, oh, I get a bunch of blinking blue lights here. And then it goes off. I didn't get the blue, 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 blue. The reason is because I'm connected to one of my iPhones. So let me manually put this into pairing mode then, okay? Let me go ahead and turn these off first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Okay, now it's off. Now what I'm gonna do is, while the headphones are off, I'm gonna press and hold that power button. I'm gonna keep holding until I see the light here blinking blue, 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 okay? Power button here, ready, press and hold. Keep holding, just wait, wait. Blue, 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 blue. You can see that. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our Vizio TV. Just go directly to your settings if you have a settings button on your remote. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on your remote, and just go to the left side here. Just move over to the left, and now you want to go all the way down to where it says settings. So we're going to go down, settings, let's okay that. Now we're going to go all the way down to all settings. Right there, highlight all settings, okay. Now go down to Bluetooth devices and remotes, right there, okay that. We're gonna go down one to headphones, select on okay. And now, you see where it says more available devices, and that thing that's kind of spinning, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, okay. Now these are still in the pairing mode, it's still blinking the blue, blue, and it did find the M6 headphones. So let's go all the way down. Highlight it there. We're going to pair it now. Okay on the remotes. And it just said connected on these, and it also says connected down there as well. And you can see the check mark that we are connected. And now we are ready to go. Now, if you had problems connecting or pairing these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description area below.